Who is your girlfriend? It's very important that you have a proper definition of who your girlfriend is. And number two is, what is your girlfriend's environment? This will also affect your choice of gift. Of course, you wouldn't want to present a gift to someone and end up not being appreciated, or maybe it turns out bad that it wasn't accepted. That would be a waste of time, waste of money, and waste of effort. Nobody would want to have such experience. So to avoid that, you have to consider providing a good answer to the question I just asked. Here is a list of the gifts you might consider for your girlfriend this Valentine. Number one of it is earring and necklace. In some cases, earrings alone can do. You can decide to go for earring, like get just earring for your girlfriend, but get something good, get something sweet, something nice. But it's good that you consider the kind of earring she has been putting on and all that, then decide on what to go for. Next is waist belt. Ladies, don't joke with waist belts. You can consider getting a waist belt for her. You have heels, get a heel if she likes heels. And of course, virtually every lady loves putting on heels. Next is teddy gift box. You can consider getting her a teddy gift box. Very important. She's going to enjoy that. She's going to love that. Next is feminine wallet. Yes, ladies have wallets. There's feminine kind of wallet, so you can consider getting her a feminine wallet. Next is ring. Not a wedding ring precisely, but you can decide to get her a ring that is beautiful. She can just wear it. Ladies love rings. Photo frame is another option. You can decide to get her a photo frame of herself. She's really going to value that. Next is sunglass. Most ladies, let's say 90% of ladies would love a sunglass. Next is water bottle. You can decide to get her a good water bottle. She's definitely going to value that. And the last one is handbag. You just have to consider any of these gifts, like she's going to love them. Valentine is a special moment where we celebrate ourselves. We just feel, we want to make someone feel loved. If you really love someone, you can consider getting these affordable gifts to them. Just get one of it or two of it, as much as your money can afford, what you can afford. Just go ahead and give it to her. Package it very well, wrap it very well. The mode of presentation is also very important. Of course, if you don't love her, you won't be talking about getting something for her or thinking about how you're going to get something for her. So this is a time to show how much you love her. Now, the gift might not explain all the love you have for her, but it can go a long way to let the person know that you really care about her. Any of these gifts I listed out here is a very good option. You can decide to go with any of them. She will definitely appreciate you, and you will see how she's going to appreciate it. Click on the like button and